Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. This is going to be a really short video. So here we're working on the Dodge Ram 1500. And what's happening is every time I start it up and start using it, it runs great for a little while, maybe a half hour or so, and then it's like you shut the switch right off. And I determined when that happened last time we weren't getting any spark to any plug. So I'm wondering if it's the sending unit here, the coil. So we're going to go ahead and we have a new one. We're going to pop it right in there and see if that solves our problem. And if it does, that is a quick and easy fix. Now, we're looking at these bolts here. They are really rusted. And I'm not 100% sure this is the problem, but I'm pretty confident. We might end up just hooking this one up, the new one up temporarily, seeing if that's the problem. And if that works, then we'll take the time to bust all these loose, get new bolts and all this for it. But I think we're just going to hook it up temporarily to see if that solves our shutdown problem.